Hello, YouTube! My group of friends from Comikero Artist Group, we're just here and they spent the day hanging out here in my house and they just left. It's raining now slightly and there's bound to be traffic, Manila bound, because of all the Tapusan and Santa Cruzan. Filipinos would know what that means. Lots of processions out now. And add to that, it's June 1. It's June 1 tomorrow. Start of class. It's the start of our school year. June. Unlike in other countries, the start of school is September. Here in the Philippines, it's June. And tomorrow is the start of class for lots of schools. And there's going to be a huge exodus going to Manila, and I didn't even think, I forgot all about it, and invited the guys to come over today, and I'm sure they will have a very hard time getting back home, and for that I really apologize to you guys. Forgot about it. Punish me the next time you see me. And I can only imagine how difficult it would be for all of you guys to go home tonight and feel kind of bad about it. Forgot about it. So anyway, I thought about attaching the video that we did early today to this video, and I thought I'll just post it in another video in itself. There. So this is my daily blog for the last day of May. I've been doing this for half a month now, and would I continue? Would I continue to do this tomorrow, June 1? June 1? I'm gonna have to think about it. I'm not sure. If I don't feel like doing it, I probably won't. Okay, YouTube. I just did this as an experiment. It was fun. I enjoyed doing it, but if I have to force myself to do it tomorrow, where's the fun in that? No? I did an extra video anyway earlier today, and there's going to be an extra video later for the thing that we did. So we'll find out tomorrow if I'm going to do it or not. Those explosions that you're hearing are rockets. San Pablo people here really love their firecrackers. They love for any reason they find to use firecrackers, they would, you know. And this is actually a kind of a special day because it's a culmination of a couple of weeks of Santa Cruzan. And okay, YouTube, I'm actually kind of tired. I'm sure the guys will be much tired when they get home. So hope they got home all right. If you're one of the guys watching this video right now, you let me know in the comment section that you got there in your house. Okay. So good night, YouTube. Did I just say YouTube? I think I said YouTube. You know? Hello, YouTube. I think that's a new thing now. It's the new Comikero virus. Hello, YouTube.